When you hear the word writing, what do you think of? You think books, essays, reports, text on paper, right? You'd be correct, but what if I told you that writing can also be graphic design, filmmaking, podcast creation, even game design? As the world becomes more digitized, writing as a medium continues to become more and more complex. Here in the Writing in Digital Media program at Penn State Berks, we provide a combination of training in both traditional and digital writing forms. Students who seek out a Bachelor of Arts in Writing in Digital Media will take a variety of classes that train them in writing styles ranging from journalism to web writing to technical writing, filmmaking, creative writing, and business writing. Because of the wide variety of disciplines offered in the Writing in Digital Media classes, students can also expect to graduate the major with skills suited to a diverse assortment of professions, including marketing, social media management, video editing, and more. If you're interested in learning more about a major in Writing in Digital Media, visit berks.psu.edu and under Academics click BA in Writing in Digital Media, or email Dr. Christian Weiser at crw17@psu.edu. We look forward to meeting you.